Hi guys, this is Ganesh Naik. I help finance students and professionals to excel in their career and become a better version of themselves. And I also help students to clear the FRM and CFA exam in the first attempt. Now, recently we had the FRM level 1 which got concluded. Now, obviously the paper was mixed. It was easy, slightly moderate, and mix of easy in the start of the exam window, and at the end it became slightly tricky. I am definitely sure that the institute is going to normalize the score and give the result. Okay, what should be the ideal score to, or what should be the ideal number of question you should give as an answer, right answer, to clear the exam? Okay, my feel that it should be around 55 to 60. Around 55 should be the good number. Again, the assumption is that a lot of students are going to give this 55 answer properly across the book. It should not happen that you got 55 correct answer, but most of them were from book 3 or book 2. They're not, definitely you're not clearing the exam. Your performance across all the 3 books, all the 4 books should be proper. Okay, and or at the overall level, if you're, even if you're clearing getting 55 as a right answer, I feel you should be able to clear the exam. Okay, that's my get feeling and understanding.